Alright, hey, what's up guys? Alex here. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and do a little trade breakdown for today's trade on ES trading futures, as well as drop a little bit of knowledge on the Discord, give you guys the link for that down in the description, completely free for the month of September. If you guys would like to trade with other like-minded individuals, some really great traders in there. Myself, I'll be live on voice almost every day during the week. If not, you'll get some other really great admins in there, so that's completely free. Just something for y'all to check out if you're new to trading futures. I'm also going to leave my X and Instagram down below if you want to get connected with me there as well. But I've been getting a lot of questions, just asking to do a recast on my trade breakdowns. People have just been interested in some of my charting and stuff like that. So I do trade ICT Concepts or the Inner Circle Trader. If you want to check that out on YouTube, he's got a lot of really great trading, education, and resources there. So that's kind of some of my background. I used to trade a few different strategies, but that's mostly my bread and butter setups now. I do use a few other, tools in my tool belt, but mostly ICT Concepts. And I'm trading futures now instead of options. So a little bit of a pivot there as well, but I'm really enjoying it, really enjoying the people I'm trading with. So it's been a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and break down today's trade on ES. So no oil trading today, just ES. As you'll see here, this is a pre-market, had a lot of accumulation. You'll see a little market structure shift up here. You can see a fair value gap here, so you could have longed that. Not something I did take though. It was a little bit before I logged on this morning. But what I did have interested in on the overall higher time frame, I took a fib, and where we were at right here is right in around a discount area. So I believe that we could be set up for going long this morning. And so as you can see, we had a market structure shift up here. So this high, this green candle's high, violated this down close candle. And so then we drop back down into this inversion fair value gap. As you can see, the bodies are respecting that nicely, as well as I would almost consider this like a breaker block, drawing that over for support. So lots of confluence there. This was the 9:30 open. As you can see, a wick that doesn't really scare me. I have my bias and I'm going to stick to it. So I had about 5 contracts long. And then as you'll see over these highs here, I had a little inefficiency marked out on a higher time frame. So that's where I started taking partials on my position and paid at least partial position. Took 3 contracts off there, so that's about 6-point gain, I believe, roughly right there. And then rided it out a little bit longer, and then scaled out here over another inefficiency or highs there. And this was right around the 10 o'clock news, which if you were on the charts today, you saw the market pretty much ran parabolically, in my opinion, as we were on the 50% on a higher time frame. It's more likely on a fib, it's more likely to expand at the 50 more, if it holds that, it's likely to expand. And so that's what we saw today. However, I did not train, I went to train at the gym, so I did not trade, the afternoon session, but really great opportunity if you did take that. I mean, there's an inefficiency right there. You could have wound there, put your stop under there and just see how it goes. But I was happy with this one trade. Again, I'm just sticking to the rules. I would call this more than a base hit, but definitely just continue to hit base hits, stick to your rules. I'm going to have more videos coming out here in the future, just some rule-based strategies, just some tips for trading. But like I said, be sure to check out the Discord here. You'll see some education. There's a lot of really good admins and other really great traders in here. You'll see me post my trade recaps here pretty much on the daily. Every day that I do trade, you'll see it on there. So that's pretty exciting. You'll see some other traders posting stuff, as well as just celebrating our wins, celebrating people getting funded, and learning from our mistakes, of course. Another really cool opportunity that I'm going to put down in the description. I do trade with Apex and TopStep. Those are 2 top prop firms that I personally find to be really good customer service and very credible. So I recently started working doing TopStep. I'm working on a funded account with them currently, and so I'm going to document that for you guys. Today's trade was one of those, so it's about like a $1,900 trade on 50K account. So I do have a link I'm going to put down below for y'all. If that's something you're interested in, once you get educated a little bit, I would recommend starting with a prop firm. Over your own money. Just reduce the risk at first until you're pretty proficient and confident. But they do have a sale going on. I'm not sure how long their sale goes on for their different challenges, but with the link that I provide you, it is an affiliate link, so I do get some gain from it as well. It's going to be a $50 off on any challenge, any evaluation that you would like to sign up with. So if you are doing the 50K and if you get it on sale, you're essentially able to start with the evaluation with TopStep for a 50K account for essentially free. You just have to put your card on there, I believe, and just follow the steps in the email. And then we are going to be posting another video just for our team in the Discord on kind of how to set that up. It's a very frequently asked question. So, like I said, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to be a bit more consistent on here, just doing trade recaps, a little bit of education, and just sharing a little bit of life and stuff like that. So, check out the links down below. And happy trading. Good luck.